At enterprise development, we develop people's skill. Then, what are the roles of customer development? Some of us don't know the role of. Please, can you mute the role of customer developers? One, they provide a team with an approach to take to validate absorption. I repeat, customer development provide a team with an approach to take or validate an absorption. What does that mean? Before you can confirm, just like what Mr. Ambrose said, you need to form your own team, not you as the owner of the business. Your customers may not want to offend you. Instead of them to tell you the truth, you assume that they are satisfied. Why not take another set of people, outsource it from your organization? Can you help us know the feedback of what we are giving to our customers? You know, customers are difficult to be satisfied. Therefore, your own absorption needs to be validated by conducting what I call a survey or research. That is the role of customer development. Another one is it provides a way to go about determining whether the team is delivering the right thing. You have your own team in the office. You have your chef. You have your front desk officers. Are they providing or are they giving the right thing to the right customer at the right time? How do you know that? It is through these customer development activities. What are we trying to say? To win a customer is not an easy task. We all know that. How do we now keep these customers? It's a process. Why are we asking after you? Let's use the case study of EGI. You are the customers to EGI Masterclass. EGI now look at it. Let's have state-by-state community base. Having this state-by-state community base, we'll be able to identify where we are getting it right or wrong. Like today, we have a lot of projects in agribusiness. And we used to talk only to the state coordinators. How are we sure the state coordinators are getting back to deliver our messages? We now said we want to meet our participants that we refer to as customers. And what do? We now open a platform, a community for each of those states. Let's know how you feel about what we are doing. If you are feeling well about what we are doing, that means we are doing it right. But if you are not feeling that desired that you need from the business, that means that we need to change our style. Therefore, customer development play a paramount role in your business. If you are not monitoring and updating yourself, at the same time validating yourself about your customers, don't be disappointed when the business faces challenges. I pray our business will not face challenges that will be difficult for us to maintain. Lastly, what are the benefits of doing customer development exercise. One, it's a process of building loyal customers base. If you have your loyal, we have loyal customers. Come sun, come shine, they will always patronize you. Just like one of my friends or my friends are asking me, Jagaban, if you are going to Abuja, you always go to a particular bus terminal. And we have other ones that are better than that. I say, I have my opinion about them. And if I call them 24 hours to my trip, they know where I will sit. They will never give my seat to another person. That is the way they take me, as a loyal customer. If they don't see me within 1-2 weeks, they will give me a call. Hope you are up, everything is okay. We have not been seeing you traveling. Hope you are okay. That is the way customer development works. If at all I don't want to have anything to do with them, I will be thinking about them. That these people are what? Caring for their customers. Doing customer development, it improves the anticipation of customer needs. Customers' needs are always changing. Mr. Ambrose, you are running an eatery. If I do come to your shade or your restaurant, where is it located in Abuja? That's good. Expect you have gotten additional customer. If I used to come and be eating Nsewu, it will get to a time that Nsewu I will be tired of it. I can say, yeah, I need Nkobi. You should be able to say we have varieties. You should be able to predict the needs of your customer. I will give you a case study. I was at Jabi Mall. Immediately I entered into the restaurants at the back beside the sea. Different things came to my mind. As somebody is asking me for this, another person is asking me for that. My mind is now, how are these people knowing what I want? All because they are in that business. They need what customer need at a particular time. When you first come into a restaurant, they know what you are supposed to take for the first time. Maybe they call it starter. After your starter, they know what you need to do for the main course. After the main course, they know what you want to do for dessert. And knowing this improves your business. Number 3, it supports the need for your product. If you don't do regular customer development exercise, how will you need when the change comes to your customers are tired of the taste of your product? It is through this. The graph will show when your product is growing. The graph will tell you, the research will let you know when you are at the saturation level. At the same time, when the product started declining, coming down from maturity to decline, it's only through your customer development research and survey that will enable you to know it. How regular do you do that? Moving ahead, customer development helps to create a strategy to reach more customers. Presently, you are in Gariki Mall. I pray there will be a mall in Wuye. And if more of your customers are coming from Wuye, what do you think you will be thinking of? Because you have the database. Clap for myself. If there are more from Wuse, what do you think will happen? If there are more from Jabi, what do you think will happen? And how do you get this done? That's very good. You can see. That means that when customer comes in, you need the database of your customers, their addresses, their contact numbers. Even you need the birthday and wedding anniversary date of your customers. Creating this is a strategy. If I know that, look at the way bankers are celebrating their customers. They will just say happy birthday to you. You will be surprised. How do they know my birthday?